Hi, good morning. It's day 2 here in the Netherlands, and that's Koninghof, which is our accommodation. Debriefing.
Debriefing where to go.
Where to go. So today we are going to Zaandam, which is in the north of the Netherlands. Yeah, we've arrived here in Zaanse Schans, so we can see the windmills, and this is here. The parking is €10.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Loads of windmills over there. We're gonna go there. There's so many people here. Look. So we are here now in Zaandam. Look at this place. It's so nice. Nothing will happen, so we have to be quick.
Wooden shoes?
We're gonna use that shoes there. That's the biggest shoes I've ever seen. There's another one here. Oh.
The entrance.
Here. Oh, look at this. It's so nice. There's so many shoes. This is the wooden shoe workshop. There's a workshop going on here. The regional plugs.
Then the lathe grinds into gear, shaping the wooden blocks by mimicking the mold shape.
Different types of
Company's
clogs.
copiers turn 4,000 blanks into 2,000 pairs of clogs each day. The blanks now truly resemble shoe. They're still solid blocks of wood. Hollowing them out calls for something called a spoon drill. With blades like ice cream scoops, the machine can't
All shoes. All shoes. Diamond plug. And it's this. Lands wants a clog. It's all about clogs in here. Oh, this is nice. Look, I'm going to buy this one. So this is €40 if you want to buy one. This one or this one? I can taste between the two. Should I take this? Whether this one or the red one? Yeah, and this. €102. Yeah.
Mataas. Straight lang. Okay.
Isa ka posisyon, ibahin nyo naman.
Ano pa? Paano?
Tanggalin nyo naman yung dalawang kamay. Akbay naman, akbay ka naman.
Huwag ganyan na lang. Akbay ka ba?
Ayaw.
Ayaw ka. Oh. one?
Fabio, you got it from us.
You know?
Okay, thank you.
These windmills. This is a cheese factory, so you want to buy some cheese? Oh, lots of cheese here. Wow. All kinds of cheese. Can we try?
We're on the break, so
Honey and,
like 60 seconds for
honey
now.
and thyme.
You can also go through this door to the right.
Maybe I can try one of those.
Cheese. Yeah.
You want pizza, cheese pizza, it's just cheese.
Huh? Oh, look. Ready? Wow. Different types of cheese. I'm currently here in a cheese factory. Lots of cheese. Like how it looks. This is a cheese factory, and look at all this. Plenty of cheese, and this is how they make it. Can I touch it?
We begin in the morning with pouring milk in a big container, and then we heat it up to 29 degrees. And it's a very important temperature for this liquid granite, and this makes the milk thick as a pudding. It's a bacteria from a cow's stomach, but now these days we use vegetarian products, so almost every cheese is vegetarian now, if you want to know. So after a half hour the milk is thick, and then we're cutting it with three knives. And then the milk separated to 90% of whey and 10% of curds. The whey we don't use to make the cheese, we feed that to our animals or use it in other products. And the 10% of curds we use to make cheese. So we put the curds into a cheese form like this. This is for 1 kilo, and we like shake the curds out of the whey, and then we press it for 2 hours underneath the cheese press. After 2 hours, we put the pressed curds, the cheese, into a salt bath, and this is for 20% of salt and 80% of water. And this makes the taste of the cheese saltier, but also it makes the cheese a little bit harder, so you can almost. For 1 kilo, we let them in the salt bath for 24 hours, and after that, we need to dry it. When we dry it, we give them a special layer of wax, you see, plastic. Like verified, and that's for protection of the cheese, and the cheese can stay for a longer time. So if you want a young cheese, you can dry the cheese for 1 month, and then it's really soft, like this one.
So in here is the traditional cheese tasting. Look at this. I'm trying this cheese. It's really nice. And it's this one. And here in the Netherlands, they're famous for their syrup. And this is this one. Can I try? Okay, give me to take, hindi naman.
It's sweet, it's nice, lovely.
This is the syrup waffle. Harap yun, harap. Oh my God. Two.
Ano, nasaan na si Agnes?
Nandun pa rin na. Ang dami niya nang nabibiling cheese. May cheese, may waffle. Oh, the hot chocolate.
Baka sa grocery mo mura.
Look at this windmill. It's green in color. And there's a barn over there. It's nice, isn't it? You manage to have a new shift. If you're coming here in the Netherlands, you have to visit this place. It's beautiful. Hello, good morning! We are going to Amsterdam and Belgium. This is how it works if you're going to get a ferry. Oh my god, this is nice, look. Welcome to the castle.